Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb, and this is the new truck that I've recently purchased, a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. I gotta say, this thing is an absolute beast, but I finally get to make the video of programming a garage door opener, and I figured out something kind of by mistake. So if you've watched any of the other videos that I've made, I have garage lights in my garage, and it's absolutely phenomenal. I actually figured out how to program it with this to the garage so I can turn it on from the truck. Let's go ahead and dive right in on how to do this, and I'll see y'all right around the corner. So here's the garage right here. We've got our janky garage door opener, as everybody does, but we're gonna be putting it up here on the roof. So you're gonna press this button and press whichever one you want to set at the same time, keeping it close to the mirror. So 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna keep holding, and we're gonna keep waiting for that light as it flashes. And you can let go, and it's still flashing up there. And of course, you'll have to hop out. That's a beauty. So we're gonna hop on the Porsche here. Not ideal, but we're gonna make it work. So this yellow button, because I have Chamberlain, I just press this yellow button once, but certain newer ones, you do have to press and hold that button until it changes colors. More likely gonna be purple. So as we hop up into our AT4X, we got the Z71 over here. So we're gonna hop in, and then we can press the button here, and it closes that garage door. Now for the second portion, where we have this little guy, I'm gonna turn off this other light that we have in the garage, and so I can fully show you. So now that I have the garage door set, what I can do with this is I have on-off switches, because this is a commercial electric. It allows you to have a remote power for the lights, which I have, which I'll be setting up lights for there as well. But we're gonna press, okay, so to continue, you're gonna press this button here and the on, whichever one you want, but I'm gonna do all. And at the same time, once again, until they flash. Obviously you can see there that the light turned on, but that is from the remote. And then we should be good there. And then we'll do it for off. So go ahead and click off and the 3 at the same time. Oh, because hang on one second. And should be good. So now press that again. Whatever light's on, lights off. And just to prove it one more time, the remote's right there. There's no other remote for this. 2. And you can see it. Oh, we zoomed in there. And 3, and off. And then the garage door. So all 3 of them are set. That's absolutely phenomenal. Literally just thought of this as an idea, and well, frankly, it worked. Now that is kind of a 2-in-1 kind of video. However, it has taken me, I've been trying to make a video like this for over 2 years. Finally got a house, finally got a vehicle to bring to the house, and it just so happens to be a truck that I purchased. Now, other than that, as I mentioned in the prior video, I will be making a lot more content on this truck. It is an absolute beast, and I think the name will either be The Beast or Beast. Haven't even owned it for 12 hours, basically, and I think I've got the name for it. I'll continue to see how that goes with the name, because we've gotten rid of Roxy, we've gotten rid of Sandy, we've gotten rid of Tara, we've had Shine the Charger, and Rose the Accord. We've had a lot of cars. But anyway, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. As always, I'll see y'all on the next one.